Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like, share, click on the bell notification also, so that once I drop an update, immediately you will get that update and you will not miss out on any single update. Now, let's take a look at what we will be expecting on our GBP JPY, and we will be looking at our past analysis on GBP JPY. So this was our previous analysis on GBP JPY we did. You can see that we are in an uptrend move. You can see that this was high that took out this previous high. This was the new high also that took out this previous high, and now we've gotten a new high, which is here, that has taken out this previous high. You know, we did this prediction that JPY will definitely give us a bullish move, and it is exactly what we predicted that JPY did. JPY eventually gave us that bullish move, thereby taking out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guess what? We are still in an uptrend on GBPJPY. Now, to predict what GBPJPY will most likely do next, GBPJPY will most likely be giving us a pullback again. Reason is that if you are to zoom it out, this is an uptrend move. It is very clear that we are trending to the upside. Be it you are a position trader or a swing trader or even day trader, you're focused on GBPJPY is a movement to the upside. You should be expecting to actually trend upward. That is what you should be expecting. Now take a look at this here. If this market pushed up, if this is our high and here comes the pullback, market pushed up again and gave a new high. What should you be expecting on GBPJPY? Of course, you should be expecting a pullback. So guys, can you hop in on the buy and continue the movement to the upside? Absolutely, yes, you can do that. But I would say that buy should be for position traders. The buy should be for position traders and possibly swing traders. But if you are a day trader, you're not hopping on the buy. Let's wait for your pullback. Once you get your pullback, then you can now start looking for your buy. This has already given us a new higher high, and that higher high has taken out this previous high. So it makes zero sense for you to just hop in on the buy and continue the movement to the upside. No, except you are holding the trade for a very long time, then you can go. If not, if you're a day trader, wait for your pullback. Once you get your pullback, then start looking for your buy again that will form a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting on GBPJPY. So if there will be any changes to this, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. You just have to stay updated, follow the diagram, and click on the bell notification once you subscribe.